welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Architect Vaibhavi. I am a freelance architect and interior designer. This channel is totally helpful for aspiring architects, architectural students and interior designers. On this journey we are going to discuss together, we are going to explore things together. So I request you all to please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. This channel is going to be helpful for students of architecture as I am going to cover all the topics from the syllabus. The topics that you are going to see on this channel are climatology, building materials and building architecture, history of architecture, designing, planning, working drawings, how to make working drawings, how to make interior design, software learning, softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, Lumion, Photoshop and whatnot. So I'm going to post a new video on every weekend. So I request you all to please keep your notifications on so that if I post a new video, you get notified and you don't miss a video. See you Sunday.